So within the strength pillar domain, we've got 6 patterns, and one of those is the horizontal pushing pattern. The goal that we have or strive for here is the straddle planche hold. The reason why is because we're leveraging our body into a very beautiful position. And the one metric that matters in this case is the amount of forward lean that we can achieve while performing a pushing motion. So what happens when we're forward leaning? We're putting ourselves into a greater mechanical disadvantage, which basically means is that we're trying to leverage our body weight into a position that is very hard for, in this case, the shoulders and also its attached muscles that we're trying to strengthen, the chest and also the triceps, and of course some core elements, some back elements will also be addressed, but they will not be the primary focus. Now, the beautiful part of this forward lean is that we can utilize it and build it over time. So the core focus is that you're trying to develop pushing strength as you're leaning forwards more and more. So let me give you an example. So let's say you have accomplished or you know that you can push up into a regular fashion. Now, in this case, what we're trying to do, we're trying to develop a push-up by forward leaning more and more. So let's set up a regular push-up. So with the regular push-up, my shoulders are stacked on top of the wrist. Now, what I'm trying to do per session is I'm trying to push myself forwards and forwards and forwards and forwards, and I'm trying to go for the sensation that I'm falling. So just before you feel, oh, I'm dropping, I'm falling, that is the cue that we want to aim for, because that will mean is that we're pushing the boundaries and getting as close to that max strength threshold as possible, which is one of the most effective ways to increase our strength in the least amount of time. So what we're trying to do here, again, is I'm leaning forward, 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 until I feel I'm falling. And this is the moment where I'm also screwing the elbows in and I'm going down towards the ground. Now, a key other concept that we already addressed is that we're trying to resist the assist, in this case, dropping or falling forwards. Now, once I reach my bottom position, I'm gonna push up, and the moment I feel I'm stuck, I'm gonna lean the shoulders back towards the wrist again, push up until I feel, oh, this is actually getting a bit easier, and then I'm leaning forward. And then I come back up to the top. So what we're trying to do with this forward lean and this resisting of the assist is we're trying to develop strength in the most intense fashion, therefore reducing the amount of volume that we have to integrate or insert in order to get the defined muscles that we want and also the strength that we want. Now, two other things apart from the resisting the assist, that is part of the one metric that matters, two details that we'll go over in the progressions are the max range of motion. So what we're trying to do with the pushing patterns is we're trying to go not until we reach this position where the chest is around wrist height, but we're trying to go a little bit deeper, maximizing shoulders in an extended position, therefore increasing also strength at our max range. And the other one is we're trying to move the shoulder blades away from the midline, getting them into a protracted position at the whole pattern. So as you go down towards the ground and as you go up towards the sky again, making sure that that protraction is always present. That's it for the one metric that matters for the straddle planche push-up, which works this horizontal pushing pattern.